Oh crap, it's recording. Okay. Sorry about not being able to put a video up for like this week. I've been trying, well, last week I was trying to, but for some reason my camera's not wanting to upload onto any of the computers. So I've been struggling with that lately. And for the rest of this video, I'm going to be a cat. And if you don't believe me, there's your evidence. Right there. Did you assure me? I will transform into a cat. Really, Gemini? Really? Fake the seriousness of that. You just make me so burpalicious. Don't laugh, that's not funny. That's angriness. Angry, you hear me?
Nom 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 nom.
Ow, that hurt.
I think that hurt you more than it hurt me.
Yeah, because it was me who slapped me. Okay, anyway.
Fail.
You're a fail. Anyway!
Your face is a fail.
Go sit in a corner.
Okay. Corner.
Corner on the street. Okay. Okay, sorry, distraction. Okay, I was planning on answering some questions that some of my friends had asked, but I decided I'm going to do that when I have a better camera next time. So, yeah. If you have any questions you would like me to answer, go ahead and leave it in the comments section, and I will put that in my next video. And please comment. I love to read comments, and they're awesome. Yeah. So don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe to this loser because you love this loser. You just love this loser. Yeah. And if you don't, I'll... That's just sad, isn't it? Sad. It's so sad. Alright, well, see you guys next time.